Denzel Washington defines success as falling 7 times and rising 8 times. Don't give up. Yeah, many people resign and sometimes they tell you never to quit. And not quitting brought me to where I am today. But I quit medical practice because of this. It's my ACECHINA. I'm an expert global business solutions expert and your real estate success strategist known as the mayor of Harcourt. So I just want to explain to us, if you've not seen my video on TEDx Talks, my story was published titled Building a Legacy, Entrepreneurship and Impact Investment into the Future. It has been published on TEDx and has over 100,000 views. You can click on that video here if you've not watched my story. But there is nothing in this world better than quitting something less for something more. And the only thing sweeter than that something more is when you begin to live the dream of that something more. The story in that video, if you watch the TEDx video, took me over 20 years of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. And today I've not only succeeded, but this 2025, I started the journey of giving free medical treatment to people that could not afford it. And I partnered with my former hospital and my former boss to give free medical outreach. In this video you're going to watch, and not only did I do that, but I gave back. Watch.
We want to sell house, we can sell value. If you want to invest, we go show you. Your money go grow, it no go low. So come make we talk.
Charity begins at home. Being that person that goes abroad and comes back and sees that the home base is still trailing the blaze, there is no feeling that can be compared to it.
See how she did, the state now good. If it's a big road, you go make them bold. No be just.
You all know me as the mayor of housing. They know me as China, the medical lab scientist in the lab.
Your money go rise, you know go fall. Make you no slack, make you no dog. We got this house, we this.
From collecting blood samples, I'm now collecting plots of land for estate samples. And here we have Dr. Odo, my first ever employer after I left school, that not only employed me, but he saw in me more than I saw in myself when I just left school, and gave me a chance to build myself. I resigned from medical practice because I wanted to make enough money to be able to subsidize medical bills for some people. Because I saw the reality of the economics of medical practice that some people cannot afford. So yesterday was a dream come true for me to be able to sponsor alongside him the free medical outreach. But that is an outreach. They say charity begins at home. And the home I knew, apart from the University of Nigeria Enugu campus, is Meridian Hospital and my darling staff. The people you are seeing lined up have worked in this hospital. I resigned here in 2007, so 19 years ago. All these people have put in more than 20 years or some, that 19 years. I think Onyeshi should be the youngest, and Comfort that came the same year or before I resigned. So right here we have a bag of rice for each of them, a 25 kg bag of rice, a small carton of tomatoes, a small gallon of oil, and an envelope of 50,000 naira each, so that they can use to cook the rice. So I'm going to hand over the envelopes to my director to give to them.
He gave us a bag of rice, granite oil, and tomatoes. Yeah. Then, in addition, he now give us some cash to buy the ingredients we're going to use. He's a very good man, and God will continue to reward him and bless him.
And then for the director himself, to give money to my director will be an insult, because he started paying me when I wasn't pay worthy. So for the director, we have this beautiful hamper and this smallest ram we could get in the market.
You can only take a man that fits into the power of innovation, the power of creativity, the power of freshness, the power of newness to do what we are witnessing today. It takes men who are not like others to do things others don't do.
Exactly.
Because they think of the things others don't think about. They are uncommon, they are unusual. They don't belong to the crowd. They are islands of their own. going to them is another pilgrimage. So it means then that to have the Mayor of Housing, my ACECHINA, in this forum, in this capacity, in this time, is a replication of that reality, that men are men, but men are men.
It was the pain of seeing indigent patients that could not afford medical bills that made me decide I'll go into business to earn enough money to be able to pay at least the bills of one or two people. But it's also nostalgic to find out that some of these people that were still working in the hospital when I resigned in 2007 are still here. Not only do they deserve this gift, by the time I become the proper mayor of housing, they each deserve a house for serving humanity for this long and still being passionate about what they do. So that's why I came. And for me, the privilege is more of mine than them, because being that person that goes abroad and comes back and sees that the home base is still trailing the blaze, there is no feeling that can be compared to it. So today, I can clearly say Merry Christmas, because Meridian has been my Christmas.
We don't sell house, we sell value. If you want invest, we go show you. Your money go grow, it no go low. So come make we talk, no that to dollar. The mayor of house in there for you.
So you've seen it. I didn't just do this video to show off that I am living my dreams or doing what I said I'll do. I did this video to teach us my quote that said the only thing greater than achievement in the world is fulfillment. The nostalgia of the fulfilling joy of having done what I set out to do is priceless. But what is even more priceless is that I'm just getting started, and I'm gonna keep going from fulfillment to fulfillment. Dare not to give up on your dreams, and then walk. Even if you go to prison, even if you fail 1,000 times, rise again and keep going. Because Denzel Washington defines success as falling 7 times and rising 8 times. Don't give up on your dreams. You can do it, and your future is calling, beckoning, and trusting you too. See you in that future.